6. Healthy teeth. Define milk tooth, a temporary tooth that falls out and is replaced by a permanent tooth. Permanent teeth. The second set of teeth that lasts throughout adult life. Gums. The soft pink tissue that holds the teeth in place. Root. The part of a tooth fixed inside the jawbone. Crown. The visible part of the tooth above the gums. Enamel. The hard outer covering of a tooth. Dentine, the layer beneath the enamel that forms most of the tooth. Pulp, the soft inner part of a tooth containing nerves and blood vessels. Incisors, the front teeth used for cutting food. Canines, the pointed tooth used for tearing food. Premolars, teeth used for crushing and grinding food. Molars, the large back teeth used for grinding and chewing food. Plaque, a sticky layer of bacteria that forms on teeth. Acids, substances produced by bacteria that can damage tooth enamel and cause tooth decay. Question number D, answer in one or two lines. How many teeth would a 3-year-old child have? A 3-year-old child has 20 milk teeth. Name the 4 different kinds of teeth: incisor, canines, premolars and molars. Why should we brush our tooth? We should brush our teeth to remove plaque, keep them clean and prevent cavities and bad breath. What can happen if a cavity is not treated in time? The cavity may become bigger, cause severe toothache, infection and even tooth loss. Question number E, answer in 40 to 50 words. How are the teeth useful to us? The teeth help us bite, cut, tear and chew food properly. They also help us speak clearly and give shape to our face. Healthy teeth are important for good digestion and overall health. Describe the structure of a tooth. A tooth has 3 main parts: the crown, neck and the root. The crown is covered by hard enamel. Beneath it is dentine and the center contains soft pulp with nerves and blood vessels. What are the ways of taking care of the teeth? Brush your teeth twice a day with fluoride toothpaste. Rinse your mouth after meals. Floss regularly. Avoid too many sweets. Eat healthy food and visit the dentist regularly for checkups. How is a cavity formed? A cavity forms when food particles remain on the teeth. Bacteria produce acids that damage the enamel. Gradually a hole is formed in the tooth, which is called a cavity. Lesson 7, safety first. Define accident and safety rules. Guidelines that help prevent accidents and keep people safe. Zebra crossing, a marked place on the road where pedestrians safely cross. Electric shock, an injury caused when electric current passes through the body. Poisoning, illness caused by swallowing, breathing in or touching harmful substances. First aid, the immediate care given to an injured or sick person before medical help. Sterilized, completely free from germs. Antiseptic, a substance used to kill germs and prevent infection in wounds. Question number D, answer in 1 or 2 lines. How should you cross a road? We should cross the road at the zebra crossing after looking right, left and right again. What steps should be taken if a person faints? Lay the person down, loosen tight clothes, sprinkle cold water on the face and call a doctor if needed. To whom does an accident cause pain and suffering? An accident causes pain and suffering to the injured person and his or her family. Where should we follow safety rules? We should follow safety rules at homes, schools, on the road and in the playground. What happens when we touch electric gadgets with wet hands? We may get an electric shock. Answer in 40 to 50 words. What is first aid? What steps of first aid should be followed in a burn injury? First aid is the immediate help given to an injured person before proper medical help arrives. A burn injury should be cool with ice water till the burning sensation stops. Now apply a burn cream or an antiseptic cream. What should be done in case of a bleeding wound? In case of bleeding wound, wash the wound with a clean water, apply antiseptic lotion or cream, tie a clean bandage over the wound. What items does a first aid box contain? A first aid box contains generally the following items: sterilized cotton wool, gauze and bandage, antiseptic cream and lotion, a pair of scissors, sticking plaster and band-aids commonly used in medicine. Write a short note on safety at school. Safety at school: do not run on staircases and in the corridors, do not climb on desks and chairs, form a queue, When boarding the school bus, do not stick out your hands or hats from the moving bus. Listen to your teachers. Chapter 8, Clothes. Define natural clothes. Clothes made from natural fibers like cotton, wool, silk and jute. Traditional dress. The dress worn by people of a particular region or a culture in an special occasion like festivals and weddings. Synthetic clothes. Clothes made from man-made fibers such as nylon, polyester and acrylic. Special clothes. Clothes designed for a specific person or profession such as a space suit, waterproof suits, etc. Answer in one or two lines. Name two kinds of clothes: natural fibers and synthetic fibers. What is the purpose of wearing uniform? Uniform helps to identify themselves easily. What is mending of clothes? Mending of clothes means repairing torn or damaged clothes to make them usable again. How does cotton fabric keep our body cool? The cotton absorbs heat and allows it to evaporate, keeping our body cool. Who used to wear armors made of steel plates or chains in olden days? Warriors used to wear armors made of steel plates or chains. Question number E. Answer in 40 to 50 words. Why are synthetic clothes convenient to wear? Synthetic clothes are easier to wash and little ironing is needed, so they are very convenient to use. How do woolen clothes keep us warm? Woolen clothes have tiny air spaces that trap air. Air is a poor conductor of heat, so it prevents body heat from escaping and keep us warm during winter. How can we protect our clothes from moths and silverfish? Clothes should be kept in clean, dry cupboard with mothballs or neem leaves to protect them from moths and silverfish. What are the drawbacks of synthetic cloths? Synthetic cloths do not absorb sweat well and may feel uncomfortable in hot weather. They can catch fire easily and melt, causing burns.